Guys, so here's a rock wheel. Look how sad he is, I swear. He looks so sad. Look. You wanna? Look. Not mine, my friend. But yeah. He's sad looking. Look at him. Oh my god. He's the perfect model, I swear. Look at him. Guys, I'm gonna give him food. Look, food.
We should just give him one, though.
Give him two. Dude, open it. Oh my god, he's eating them. I feel so sorry. One day. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's sick. Look at that, Mark.
I'm gonna go outside and do some stuff here. You wanna come?
Maybe.
You want to take the soccer ball out and play?
Maybe.
Come on, soccer's for babies. When the bed is there, come on.
Okay. Bye, guys. Derp Peace.